Good afternoon to my all viewers as well as all the students present in the class. Today I am going to revise the chapter Ratio and Proportion for class 10 ICSE board. Okay, as it is a very important chapter for ICSE board class 10, though this chapter is already present in lower class also, just now today I am going to revise the chapter Ratio and Proportion. Okay, question number 1 I have selected. If A is to B is equal to 5 is to 3, it is given. If A is to B is equal to 5 is to 3, then find the value of 5A minus 3B by 5A plus 3B. Okay. First of all, you have to see what is given in this question and what you have to find out. A by B given 5 by 3 and you have to find out 5A minus 3B by 5A plus 3B. First of all, you see what is given in this question and what you have to find out. See, do one thing here. Dividing B both numerator as well as denominator. What will get here if I divide? Okay, I am writing here. This is the question one you have to find out. I am writing here now. 5A minus 3B by 5A plus 3B. If I divide B, then this will be 5A by B minus 3. This will be 5A by B plus 3. If I divide B both numerator as well as denominator. After that, just to put the value of A by B. What is that? A by B? That is 5 by 3. It is given minus 3 by 5 whole into 5 by 3 plus 3. How much you are getting? 5 by 25 minus 9 by 5 by 3. And here also same thing, 25 plus 9 by 3. So by 3 will be cancelled. 25 minus 9 it is coming 16 by 25 plus 9, that is 34. It will go by 2, 8 by 17. This is the answer of question number 1. Okay. Question number 2. See, if x is to y is equal to 4 is to 7, then find the value of 3x plus 2y by 5x plus y. 5x, this question you have to find out. Same process, you have to follow the process. Okay. Now, first of all, what you have to find out? 3x plus 2y and 5x plus y. If I divide y both numerator and denominator, if I divide, what will get? 3x by y plus 2, and here it will be 5x by y plus 1. Now put the value of 3x by y is how much given? 4 by 7 plus 2. Here also same thing, 4 by 7 plus 1. Finally, what are you getting here? 12, 4 3 is 12 plus 7 2 is 14 by 7, and here 5 4 is 20 plus 7 by 7. So by 7 it will be cancel out. 12 plus 14 is coming how much? 26 divided by 27. So what is the answer? 26 by 27 is the answer of question number 2. In this way, 2 questions I have completed. Let us go next number. See the question number 3. If A is to B is equal to 3 is to 8, find the value of 4A plus 3B divided by 6A minus B. Same process you have to follow, just to see. Now, 4A plus 3B divided by 6A minus B. If I divide B both numerator and denominator, this will be 4A by B plus 3. Here 6A by B minus 1. if I divide b both numerator as well as denominator. Now you have to put the value of a by b. It is given in the question, that is 3 by 8, and here plus 3. Same thing, 6 whole into 3 by 8 minus 1. How much getting? 4 3 is 12, 8 3 is 24, whole divided by 8. Same thing here also, 18, 6 3 is 18, minus 8, whole divided by 8. What is the result coming? 12 plus 24, that is coming 36 by 8, by 8 cancel, 36 by 18 minus 8, that is coming 10. It will go by 2, 18 by 5. So what is the answer? 18:5 is the answer of number C. Let us go next number. Just see question number 4. What is given here? You have to find x by y. Find x by y when x square plus 6y square is equal to 5xy is equal to 5. It is given. Sorry, means x square plus 6y square equal to 5. It is given, and you have to find out x by y. How to solve? Now you have to take the help of what is given. X square plus 6y square is equal to 5. Xy is given. Dividing xy. If I divide here x square by xy plus 6y square by xy, it will be 5. Dividing xy both sides. Then 1x will be cancelled. X by y here. It is 6 into y square given. That means 1y cancelled. Y by x left equal to 5. Okay. This x by y, we take as k. This will be 6 by k, as is reciprocal given, equal to 5. That means it will be quadratic equation. That means k square, this will be 5k, k square minus 5k plus 6 equal to 0. Directly I am doing. Let k is equal to y by x. Okay. Let k is equal to y by x. Now you have to factorize. It will be how much? K minus 2 and k minus 3. It will be 0. So what is the answer? K equal to either k equal to 2 or k equal to 3. Okay. There are two answers you are getting. So what is the value of x by y? That is the x by y, means x is to y. Either you can write, if x is equal to k, how much k? Either 2, x by y coming 2, or x by y, right here x by y is equal to 2, or x by y equal to 3. Because I have taken as xy as x by y I have taken as k. Okay. X by y, sorry, printing mistake. X by y has taken k. Therefore k I am getting x by y is equal to 2 or x by y is equal to 3. In this way 4 questions complete today. You have to take this x by y as k. This is reciprocal of k. That means 1 by k written here. Taking LCM, this will be k square plus 6 by k. I have written in one step all. 5k bringing this side, minus 5k plus 6 equal to 0. Your middle term will be 3 and 2. Multiplication will be plus 6, addition is minus 3 and 2. That means k minus 2, k minus 3 equal to 0. In this way, k equal to 2 or k equal to 3. Okay. Practice more stuff. Thank you for today's class.